Jai Hind everyone. I am Cadet Anya Swami and today I am going to be covering the topic organization in ships. So we have talked about in our previous videos about the organization in Navy, organization in Indian Air Force, organization in commands, and now we are talking about organization in ships. कि ship में क्या-क्या organization है और कैसे वो functioning करते हैं. Every warship has schemes of complements which show the number of officers and sailors required to man her under various conditions of war and peace. तो चाहे war हो, चाहे peace हो, there is a particular number of officers and sailors that are to be present on the ship if the ship is going off the coast. Officers and men are divided into departments according to their specialization, and these in turn form divisions or may be further divided into two or more subdivisions. So now we're going to talk about in a ship what are the various departments. A chart of the department or organization of a destroyer. तो अब हम कौन से टाइप के शिप की बात कर रहे हैं? We are talking about a destroyer. कि destroyer में क्या-क्या चीजें होती हैं? What are the various departments that are present? First of all, in head we have the captain. So captain जो है, he is the head. Then under him we have the commander. What does CDR stands for? CDR stands for commander. E is representing engineer. So we have senior engineer who works under the commander engineer. Then we have commander L, that is DLO. L here represents logistics. So defense logistic organization DLO. DLO is basically defense logistic officer actually, and he works under the defense logistic organization. And this is what this DLO stands for, is the officer who is working. Then we have commanders. In commanders we have various. जैसे हमने देखा था, we talked about in the shore establishments वाले video में chapter that we talked about that there are various departments, like we have executive department, we have engineering department, gunnery department. So now उनके respective officers we are going to talk about. Here we have the navigating officer, gunnery officer, ASWO. What does that stand for? That stands for anti-submarine warfare officer. So basically whenever you're going in a ship, you never know कि कब आपको बीच नीचे से submarine को attack कर सकते हैं, you can get torpedoed. So basically we have for that we have anti-submarine warfare officer who is just there to look after कि अगर if required how we can and what will be the best efficient and effective manner that we can get rid of that. So anti-submarine warfare officer. SEO, that basically is special commissioned officers. So they are also present on the ship. RO, review officer, who is reviewing सब कुछ ठीक से चल रहा है on the ship or not. NBCDO. So NBCDO we also talks about fire and damage control, but we also have primarily it stands for nuclear, biological and chemical defense. कि अगर आपके ship पर इनमें से कोई भी आपको जरूरत पड़े, so you are able to provide the adequate defense for that. Then we have the diving officer and the shipwright officer, and all of these come under commander. Next we have CDR log. CDR is commander, log stands for logistics. We have ALOGO, that is basically again a junior to commander of logistics, and T here stands for pay and budget. V stands for victualling. Then CLO stands for clothing, because logistics is basically कि उन जो particular personnel who are present and who are there in the ship उनको particular आप support provide कर सकते हो, not only offices में, but जो उनको general as a person requirement है, उनकी pay and budget की requirement है, clothing की requirement है, those can be fulfilled. Next we have PMO. Again, जैसे I even talked about in the shore establishment video that you need medical assistance everywhere. चाहे आपको जरूरत पड़े उसकी या फिर नहीं, but there should always be the presence of a medical officer. So we have principal medical officer is there, and he has a whole team working under him. Then we have FLD CDR, that is the flight commander, under which we have senior P, senior O, and air engineering officer. ठीक है, senior officer. So all of these come under flight commander के under. Next we have अब ship में हम देखिए organization की बात कर रहे हैं. We have watch systems. Now what is watch system? Basically अगर आपके पास एक particular community है, कोई organization है, personals है, we have to divide them into groups कि this group will work here. Because अगर आप for example कोई भी leadership activity करते हो, आप क्या करते हो? अगर आपको कोई भी task accomplish करना है in a team, you will make further divisions into that team कि ये जो team है this will look after कि क्या-क्या उनको research करना है. This team will look after क्या-क्या implementation के लिए material चाहिए. This team will look after implementation. This team will look after report writing. So we have basically watch systems present on the ship for various reasons. ठीक है? Now we have the seamen complement on a ship is normally large. ठीक है? That is what I talked about. It is divided into forecastle, also known mid-mat, so that is उसका Navy mid-terms क्या है? Forecastle, midship and quarterdeck division. Forecastle is also known as forecastle. Next we have inboard. Depending on the threat, the whole or a portion of the ship armament must be ready for instant action. कि अब आप ऐसा तो वेट नहीं कर सकते कि आपको किसी ने अटैक किया देन यू वो कि चलो ठीक है अब हम रेडी हो जाते हैं वॉर के लिए. नो, दैट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. यू हैव टू बी ऑलवेज रेडी फॉर इंस्टेंट एक्शन. सो देयरफॉर दे मस्ट बी रेडी फॉर instant action, which is why they are divided to make this possible. The ship company is divided into watches. जिसे हम groups बोलते हैं वो watches बोलते हैं in the military terms. So now we talk कि अपना system अब क्या क्या watch system है we are going to talk about. It's very interesting. We have so now we have इसमें अगर हमारे पास ज़्यादा लोग नहीं है, if it's supposed to be divided into two, we have two watches. Two watches where the men are equally divided into, again as the name suggests, two watches. That is, अब इनके नाम क्या है? We have starboard and we have port. ठीक है, port and starboard में these are divided. There will be a starboard watch and there will be a port watch. So जो भी commander है, he can say कि starboard watch, this is what your job is. Port watch, this is what your job is. Three watch system में, in this system men are divided into three watches. Three watches में they are divided according to three colors. These are red, white and blue. ठीक है. Next we have four watch system in which the men are again divided into four watches as the name suggests. अब जैसे हमने इसमें starboard port देखा था, starboard port is also like left right आप कह सकते हो for the ship. ठीक है, जैसे left hand side, right hand side वैसे करके we have starboard and port. So we have इसमें therefore divided into port 1, port 2, starboard 1, starboard 2. That could be the front left, front right, back left, back right. ऐसा something like that. Not appropriate. मतलब this is not exactly how it is, but ऐसा सही कुछ होता है down the lines of this. Next we have stations and routines. The ship company is closed up in various stations to meet various requirements and routine. So run onboard a ship to balance operational requirement and adequate rest. So basically जब आपको ऑपरेशन की जरूरत हो, the personnel are ready for that, and also there needs to be proper time. If you've heard of it, there is something called as the principle of rest and recovery. So you need बीच में you need some time for rest, otherwise that leads to burnout. अगर आप अपने officers को ऑपरेशन के अलावा रेस्ट देते ही नहीं हो, then the officers will also not be happy, the personnel will not be happy, so they will choose to leave. So basically there needs to be proper adequate rest that is to be provided to them. ठीक है, ताकि they are able to function properly. Next we talk about इसके अंदर हमारे पास कौन-कौन से आते हैं stations and routines. We have cruising station, defense station, action station, sea and action, SSD. SSD stands for strategic support division and cable party and clear lower deck. So basically these are again अंदर उनके stations और routines जो अलग-अलग routines ये अलग-अलग stations follow करते हैं. That is what it is telling us about कि ये वाले particular we have on a ship. These are the various stations under which the various personnel are recruited, and they are working under these various stations as well to provide them with operational requirement and adequate rest as well. So that was all about this, and I hope you were able to understand it. Again, if you have any questions, any queries, you can let us know in the comment section below. That was all for this video. Thank you and Jai Hind.